If your sales feel slow, even though you're doing the right things, the issue may be that your business doesn't have a clear lane. When buyers can't quickly understand where you fit, they're going to hesitate. They're going to wait. They're going to think about it. And when they hesitate, it's going to slow down your sales. And I do see this when businesses try to sound flexible or open to everyone, right? They say they can help many types of people with many types of problems. The intention is really good, right? But the actual factual results is that there ends up being confusion. And when a buyer can't tell right away that your service or offer is for them, they're going to move on. Even if what you offer could actually help them, they just won't know it, right? So here's a simple example to think about it. Think about driving on a road with no lane lines, right? There's no lines on the street to see the different lanes, right? And everyone is going to slow down because people are unsure where to go, right? They're not sure what lane to be in, how to drive. There's no clear path. And that's what unclear positioning does to your marketing, right? Without clear boundaries, buyers don't really feel confident moving forward. Now, what's likely going wrong is that your marketing doesn't clearly say who you help and what you help them with first. It may explain what you do, but it doesn't anchor the actual message in one clear situation or statement. Okay. Without that anchor, people are going to listen, but they're not going to actually take action. Okay. The key thing is this: clear sales growth actually comes from better positioning. When people immediately recognize themselves in your message, decisions just become easier, right? Clarity creates confidence. The easier that it is to understand, they will not hesitate, right, to take you up on your offer. They will take action. Because what confidence, once they're confident in what you're saying and they understand what it is that you're offering is going to help, they're going to take action and make movements towards that solution, right? They're trying to ease a pain point, something that's bothering them. So they want to take action. Now, here's something that you can take action on today, and it's something really easy. Okay. Finish this sentence in the easiest way that you can, right? I help blank solve blank. Now, if you struggle to answer that very quickly, then that's your signal that you need to take some time and really focus on that. Okay. And again, it is I help blank solve blank, right? So I help entrepreneurs solve the problem of slow sales growth through marketing direction, right? Okay. It's all about knowing and understanding exactly what you do. So tighten that message up and use it everywhere, all your platforms, so that people actually know exactly where you fit in. Now, the takeaway is this: when your lane is clear, your growth becomes so much smoother and bigger, right? Clear marketing direction removes all hesitation from the buyers and from yourself, and it also helps sales move forward. Now, if you want more guidance like this, please follow me on LinkedIn to see how I can help fix slow or inconsistent sales growth with clear marketing direction. Thanks so much for tuning in and for your support, my friend, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.